Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Ford Transit 350 XLT. This is a rear entry, got a brand new super wide lift in it, the extra heavy duty broadability lift, and you can swing these doors open. So they're manual doors here. Hit that unlock button, they'll swing wide open. Got to have the ignition on in the vehicle, got to have the emergency brake set, and you have to have the lift turned on. Three things you have to do or the lift will not work. So we hit the unfold button. Once all three of those things are done, the right side of this little remote here takes it down. So we two-stage process: unfold until it stops, and then next stage we hit the down button. You can see it folds down. We've got our lighting here for ADA compliance. This is a 36.5-inch wide lift. So if you're getting your bigger chairs on there, and a 1,000-pound weight capacity. So if your competition has the standard size lift that's only about 33 inches wide, and you have the bigger one, well, guess who all the facilities are going to be calling? They're going to be calling you because they know you can handle more of their customers. Like I said, 1,000 pounds. It's 50 inches deep here. Got 60 inches coming inside the van, and 68 inches once you're inside the van. It's got the manual jack here in case the lift ever malfunctions. Only 20 cycles on this conversion, so it is a brand new conversion. Got your Q-strain upgraded tie downs. Throw one set of those in at no charge to you. Headliner looks great. Got all your rear air. If you want us to, we could add more seats. You know, seats that'll flip down. Well, not they'll flip down against the wall here. They flip down, flip back up. So we could actually hold. It's got 5 seats in it right now. We could add one of those, make it 7. Possibly even another row, make it 9. So my point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Great shape. You can see it's got the navigation up there. I'll show that to you more here in a moment. Dash is in great shape. Got your rear air controls. Got the black cloth seating here, so it is very clean. If you need more tie downs because you're going to haul more chairs, let us know. We've got those. Of course, there'll be an additional cost, but we'll get you taken care of. And then when you get everybody secure, come back out. Just simply reverse the process. We hit the up button. Again, a 2-stage process to hold the up button until it stops moving. All right, and then we hold the fold button. These conversions come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on these bronze conversions. Folds right up, put her back in place, hit the off button, and you're ready to roll. And as you can see, it does show the 1,000-pound weight capacity on these as well. So these are the big boys. You got bariatrics, customers like that. These are a big help to haul anybody and everybody. All right, when you get everybody situated, shut her down, you're ready to roll. Quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the rear for privacy for your passengers and comfort, you know, when it's hot summer months. Alloy wheels. Tires have a whole bunch of tread left on, about 30 seconds up front. And I believe my guy said 30 seconds in the rear, 9 up front. Got your step over here. So tires shouldn't be a problem for quite a while. Lots of tread left on those. It's got the sensors up front, so I'm going to show you these. If you're getting too close or to something front or rear, this is going to warn you. It's going to beep at you. So if you're not used to driving a vehicle this big, or if you have employees, this extra safety on here could prevent an accident. You know, if you run a business, preventing an accident, work comp, getting sued, all the fun things that go along with that. Trust me, I know all the risks we have as business owners. It's worth spending a little extra money on an XLT like this. It's got the lane change departure system warning as well. A lot of great safety features to keep you, your employees, your equipment safe. A nice clean van. I did see a small, tiny little door ding. Here it is. One about the size. Probably can't even pick it up, about the size of my fingernail. But overall, it's a nice, clean van. Little tiny one there. Not a perfect van, but it's very well taken care of. And one thing we always do, we show you the video, the VIN number. And so I show you that stamp. It's very hard to duplicate. That means the vehicle's here in my possession. Make sure you get a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number and the vehicle. That way you know they've got it. It's not some internet scam. All right, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see it's one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I agree if it's a sports car. I think it might have been hot rodded a little bit. I don't think too many people say, let's grab a passenger transit and go out and hot rod it. It means it's just highway miles. That's what you want on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. As we scroll down, you can see Carfax shows no total loss. This is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer is accurate. No accidents or damage. It does have one open recall. You can take that over to a Ford Mercury dealer. They'll fix it for you at no charge if you choose. As far as the warranty, it shows the vehicle went into warranty 6/5 of 2021. So it meets the specs to be under the full 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty until 6/5/2024, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first, and then also up to 60,000 miles, 5 years on the powertrain warranty. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, look at the reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay, 1,404 transactions with 100% positive feedback. It's pretty impressive if I do say so myself. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, make sure they are a real company. Find us here in Wichita, Kansas on Google. You can see our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time complain about buying a van they found on Craigslist or Facebook. When the price was too good to be true, they end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon because they bought from an individual they know nothing about. Or they buy from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. And with flood damage, frame damage, title issues, you name it, I've heard it all. So, you know, if you want to buy from those dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 stars, expect 1 and 2 and 3-star vans. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, give me a call. Okay, back to the van. We got 2 sets of keys here. Got your keyless entry. As I enter the van, like I mentioned, the black cloth seats. It's a nice thing about those rentals too, they don't allow any smoking. Nice clean van, clean interior. And as I go to start the van up, see the current mile is 22,371 on the miles. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. It's got your navigation, it's got your backup camera. And it's got, like I mentioned, a lot of great safety features on the van. Got your rear air up there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those working real quick. See those mirrors moving? That mirror over there. Tested the locks, the heat, air, cruise, brakes, suspension, hoses, steering. Replace fluids as necessary. I've taken them on a road test. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do. We do not just throw these vans on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood of the 3.5 twin turbo V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. And these get great fuel mileage and they got plenty of power. Whether you're trying to haul a handful of people or for towing on that tow package back there, this van will do it for you. Nice clean undercarriage, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, you know, from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's a 2021, they assume because it's got super low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title, they assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. That is the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. Do not assume things. And what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle with a clean title, no bad accidents, no flood damage, none of that? Did they get on their hands and knees? Do they even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video? So you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a good frame underneath it, they haven't been in a flood. So when it comes to not only price, but when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you what vehicle you're getting, I beg of you, compare me to the competition. Vehicles are not just about price and miles, they're about condition and reputation. So keep that in mind when you're out buying. If you end up buying a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from a flood or an accident, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into each and every video like I do these. Now demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. There's tons of cheap knockoffs out there. I spend thousands of dollars every month in Carfax reports because I want to know what I'm buying. More importantly, I want to know what I'm selling. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation, and check out the reviews. And finally, demand a warranty. We make sure every single one of our vans comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. We stand behind our product. We make sure each one of them comes with a warranty. So let's get it on the test drive so you can hear it run. So another great safety feature about these vans, see this little van right in front of me? If I start to pull up close to it, it beeps at me. This means something's on my front left side. The closer I get, the louder and the faster that beeping is going to get. Hear that? Applies on the back too when I'm doing reverse. There's nothing behind me right now, but the lane departure warning that it has over here, I'll show that to you. But you see that little icon right there? If someone's in my blind spot, those turn yellow. You know, spending a little extra money on a van with some features, some safety features on it, can save you a lot of money in the long run when it comes to a possible accident. So let's get her out for that test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Transit home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. And these vans actually got quite a bit of get up, especially for the size. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the steering cruise control set. Cruise works great, runs and drives dang near like a brand new van. So do keep in mind, we do offer the long-term extended warranties that are cover not only like the bumper to bumper type of as far as the mechanics of the vehicle, we also will have ones that cover the lift. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden on the back end or the fine print is $500 administrative fees. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So be sure to ask about that hidden fees. Be sure to ask about the free shipping, about the cost of shipping before you buy, because once you add up all those fees, once you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about that stuff before you buy. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. If people aren't being honest and upfront from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. And if texting is easier for you, you're more comfortable texting, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person that's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and you're sick of being treated like just a number to all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, I'm going to sell this Transit whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. It won't take 5 minutes. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for hanging in there. Give us a like here on YouTube. We'd really appreciate that. And give us a follow. You can be the first one to see our upcoming inventory. If this is not the van for you, if you're looking at buying multiple vans, be the first to see what we've got coming up in the future. And then if you'd like to see our entire inventory of detailed videos of every single vehicle just like this, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Call us today.